Think adult products can't be advertised? Wait till you see this. So yes, anything is possible on Amazon. You can run adult ads. There is a loophole. I'm going to be showing you it. Bullet massager, right? Let's say somebody types in the word bullet massager, and we know those are adult products called vibrators, right? And you can't run ads for those. You can't run ads for vibrators or, dildos, those sexual toys. I'm just going extreme here, but there is a way, and it's called sponsored brands, right? So if you scroll all the way down, what the heck is this? What's this? Sponsored, right? And if they're paying enough ad dollars, they can have this pop up everywhere. And it's just this girl under the covers. You're like, what? Everybody deserves this. Huh? Click on it, right? And then it takes you to this page automatically to this store. And you're like, oh, I don't know what this is, right? And then it has the moments that matter most. You're like, what? You click on it again and boom. Now they're upselling you all of their adult products. So they took you to their own webpage on Amazon to upsell you to one of their best sellers, which is a bullet vibrator for women, which you obviously cannot run ads for. But guess what? They're making over $200,000 a month. Do you think they're doing that without ads? No, they're definitely putting a lot of money into ads. And even though there's tons of clicks to get to the product, once the customer does get to the product, or if the customer is, very excited and wants to click through, which is pretty easy because you just click, 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 it takes you to the product. And they've got more than 4,000 bought in the past month alone, right? A lot of this is due to them being able to run ads. Now, they do have the word vibrator in there, so they cannot run regular ads. They have to do this loophole, which is with sponsored brands. Now, to run sponsored brands ads, what you're going to do is log into your Amazon Seller Central. The first thing that I want you to do is create a brand store. Now, when I clicked on their ad, it took me to their brand store. Make a brand store. You do need a trademark. So you click manage stores. Then you're going to create your own brand store. Just look at their brand store, look at a competitor's brand store, and then you could make theirs from the beginning as needed. Use Canva, things like that. Once your brand store is created, then you're going to go into Amazon ads. You're going to click create campaign, right? Once you click create campaign, it's going to take you to the campaign builder, and we are going to do sponsored brands. Sponsored products, it's going to say ineligible, right? It's an adult product, but sponsored brands, I guess somebody at Amazon isn't reviewing the whole process and they will approve it. I did test this already with an adult product for multiple clients. It does work 100%. Now you can set your goal. We want page visits, obviously. So you're going to click on that, campaign name, budget, brand. You want it to appear on Amazon. Now, I recommend to do store spotlight or video. Now, they did store spotlight. If you do store spotlight, you need at least 4 or more pages on your store. I just showed you how to make your store. You can base it off of the competitor, right? So you can do that. You can also do a video. So videos do work as well, which is just hilarious. But store spotlight works pretty much almost 100% of the time for any type of adult product. So that's going to be your go-to to start with. Now you have the average cost per click, and then you can add all of the keywords you want to target. You might as well add tons of keywords, right? So you can start showing up. And now you're going to do creative, right? So now you put your logo, brand name, headline. If you have enough store pages, you can also add your store pages, and this is how it's going to pop up on Amazon. This is how it looks on mobile, and then you can also see where it's going to show on desktop, right? But that's pretty much how you do it, and it's going to show up like this. I do recommend having multiple pages. Sometimes you can't actually show the products, right? So instead, you're going to have it go to a landing page. In order for it to go to a landing page, you're going to scroll all the way up, and it says right here, You can have it go to a landing page, but you must have 4 or more pages, each with 1 or more unique product. So get that adult product, make your store, add those landing pages, get it approved, and then once your store's approved, then you can have it automatically filter directly to your store, right? So again, if we're looking at the ad, let's go back, see if the ad's still there. So if I type in bullet massager, I wonder if it's still there. It is still there. There it is. So you can actually base it off of this ad. So this one's going directly to their landing page. It's not showing products because if it shows the products, probably won't get approved. So it tricks the Amazon rep who reviews this. And once Amazon reviews and approves your sponsored brands, you're good to go. So we actually tried this and did it almost exact the same. And it definitely worked to run ads. And again, you might think, oh my gosh, they're going to have to click so much, but they're generating so many sales. So obviously it's working, right? So I definitely recommend to test it out. It is a bit difficult to get started, but once you learn how to do this, you can run ads with adult products. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you need help with increasing sales, creating an ad like this one, or just help selling on Amazon, contact the EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is advertising management. This is where we'll make sure all of your ads are compliant. We know all of the ethical loopholes to make sure you can run ads on almost every single one of your products. We also do customer service, design, and much, much more. We're here to help you save time and obviously make more money on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.